Imagine driving through a scorching golden desert and suddenly discovering a massive forbidden landscape covered in absolute pitch black darkness. Let me tell you, my friend, this is the Black Desert of Egypt. From above, it looks like a sci-fi movie set or a giant patch of burnt wasteland. But what you are looking at is actually an ancient volcanic matrix. Listen closely. Millions of years ago, violent volcanic eruptions completely covered these golden sands in boiling lava. As the rock cooled and eroded over millennia, it left behind a dense grid of shiny black basalt stones, rich in iron and manganese, nature's darkest contrast, freezing ancient volcanic fire onto a sea of gold. Let me know in the comments.